Amazon Fire TV stick. Probably the best thing to happen to this country ever. It gives you Prime Video, especially get me. Then ITV Hub, all for BBC. In fact, it's so good, I decided to donate some to all friends in continental Europe. Oh, what? I'm
Samsung and the US Consumer Product Safety Commission wants you to know about the voluntary recall of all Samsung washing machines. The washing machines may contain an explosion hazard, blowing apart, and hitting the walls. Do not use the appliance. Throw away the appliance or return to Samsung headquarters for recall problems. Your safety is of the utmost importance to us.
Personal time to make the outfit even better place in which to live. We hope you enjoyed the programs we showed